I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover Shpock account. For that, open up your Shpock app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on My Shpock, which is on bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the login option. On your left hand side there, you'll see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. Enter your email address that is linked to your account and then tap on send reset link. Shpock will now send you a reset link on your email, so open up your mail. Tap on reset password in order to access the link. Now set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. After you are done, tap on save and continue. Your password has now been updated. Go back to your Shpock app. Enter the email address that is linked to your account. After that, enter the password that you have recently set. And when you are done, tap on login. This way you can recover Shpock account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.